Hi guys, welcome to another video. And today, today I'm gonna play a balloon battle. Monkey to the battle. I don't know. But it's basically a game where you battle other players, and you have to try to win. Really, I'm just doing the spin. Could you get to do this once a day? And I got a farmer monkey. If you don't know what farmer monkeys do, you have banana trees and they collect the bananas straight away, so you don't have to. Okay, so I'm just gonna play a game. I'm just gonna play one game because I find my video boring. Okay, this is online. So if you don't play online, this is not a game for you. Just waiting. Sometimes it takes a while to load. Well, please like and subscribe for more. It's just really, I'm a good YouTuber. But hey, I'm making videos, and we are fighting this dude. I think I'm just going to see if there's another map. Okay, that's okay. If you want that, I'm okay with it. This is my best technique. I don't think you don't have to copy it, but yeah. And you only work if you use the medals, and if you don't use the medal battle, then you can't get them free. You have to use lightning bolts, but they refill, so it's not like gems or anything like what you get on some games. And this right now, what I'm using is the basic monkey, and you have to. There's only a certain upgrade you can get it to, and you have to buy the rest. But you have to win a few battles before you can. I like this game. I do. I may have to end, but when this finishes, I'll have to end it because adverts usually pop up. And when they pop up, the video ends. So yeah. But I do enjoy this game. I recommend you should play it. And there's that person I'm against. There's also other YouTubers you can watch if you're a little bored watching me. And there we go. I'm gonna place a ship next. I'm just gonna place some nails at the bottom. I've got a hay fever. That I'm pretty sure I do. So I'm not really in the mood of making videos, but I still do. I am getting quite some subscribers, which is nice. Yeah. If you can see at the bottom right, you see that things. And if the monkey is to upgrade my monkeys, but it only lasts for a certain time. And the balloon is upgrades. It makes the other teammate their balloons are more powerful, I believe. I recommend to use your wizard monkey or every round because of how powerful it is. And I'm just gonna yellow rush this guy because this way I can get some money. Because if you can see where my money is, there's it like the green bit, it like fills up, and that's how much money I get. So I get 300 every time, so I'm happy about. So I'm just gonna stop now. Sorry. And yeah, I'm not gonna do anymore. I'm not that mean. But the wizard can take out metal balloons. You'll see that then, not yet, but you can see the other team, like the person is using bananas, but he won't use his farmer because of how powerful, how expensive the farmer is, which is 100 medals. Yes, 100 medals. This one like just sucks in balloons and pops them. You can also like change it, like, but I always keep the target first because I'm not really that type of guy. You think? Oh no! You can see on the other team, he's got the monkey with the guns, and they can take health off me. So I'm gonna have to try to beat him. Just waiting. There. Some rounds can take quite a while, so this video may be a long video, but I'm okay with that. The bigger the better. Morgan, hi, if you're watching this video, you made me make a video today. I wasn't actually going to, but I did. Yeah. If you guys are confused who Morgan is, Morgan's a friend. Yeah. I'm not going to talk too much about him. Oh, he's also a cookie eater, 73. I should have got that right. Sorry if I didn't get it right, Morgan. But I'm going to put it in the description, like I did in my other video, but that doesn't matter. And I'm going to just upgrade this one, and then I'm going to, you see this red blimp? I'm going to send it, because it's a real green blimp, but I like to just do mean. And when it gets destroyed, it sends 3 of 4 of them blue blimps. And yeah. Oh no! Oh, these balloons are getting powerful. What? Oh no, he's got wizard. No! Oh, that was close. But we can't give up. We have to save up. And with next payment, we're going to do it. Yes. But I do get paid less now because of the blimp so expensive. And now we just have to survive. And there you have it. He's going to die. He's rushing me now. Because he knows he's going to die, so he's rushing me. And I may die, actually. So, and this is bad. Rip me. But we have to hope. Yes. Guys, we may have done it. Happy face. Come on, guys. Yes. Everyone cross their fingers. We're pretty much winning. And the winner is me. He just sends me a blimp. That's not gonna work. Good game. So I'm gonna end the video here. Please subscribe and like, and I'm gonna try to make more videos more often, but if I don't, it'll be once a week. Sorry. Okay. So I'm gonna end it now. Okay? Bye.